Hi, and welcome to Rio Mar Designs YouTube channel. My name is Ali Pikolski, and I am the owner and designer. I create and design organizers to help you end the stress of digging through the mess so you can enjoy your trip without needless worries. Today, I want to show you a product that I created, of course, to help you keep your things organized when traveling, but you can also use them for your everyday life. But before I do that, I ask if you could please like this video. It helps me more than you know. And if you could subscribe to the channel, that way you can receive notifications when I upload the next video. Okay, now on with the show. Okay, so this week's product is the So Extra pouch. This pouch is very, very sturdy. It's made for your makeup, your toiletries, anything like that. It's not for the so extra things. It's actually for the important things that are not so extra, right? And it's not, made with a flimsy type of zippers. The material is that waterproof canvas, which means that if you spill any drinks on your pouch, or if you drop it, say in a puddle of water because it's raining or the snow, you don't have to worry that the things inside will get wet because this is waterproof. But if by any chance something comes through, no worries. The lining, it's also waterproof. So it has double protection. See how wide it is? That helps that because it's that wide, you'll be able to bring most of your toiletries, travel size toiletries in this pouch, as well as your makeup or whatever it is that you want to bring here. You can bring your phone charger, your headphones, anything that you can think of that you can fit in this pouch. This pouch comes in this beautiful forest green, this rich burgundy. It's so popular. This color is so gorgeous. The navy blue, it's a staple for anything that I create. And of course, black. You can never go wrong with black. You do not wash this in the washer, of course. If it gets dirty, you just spot clean it. But you'll be surprised of all the things that you can fit inside this pouch. As you can see, I have some products that are travel size, obviously, 4 fluid ounces. You may not go through TSA with this, but it's something that you can put in your luggage, and you can just bring these travel size toiletries with you, or your phone charger, like I said, phone charger, cables, anything that you may need to have handy, you can also put in this pouch. And like I said, it's so sturdy. I wish you could feel it. I mean, these are empty. These are completely empty, and you can just see how strong they look and how they just stand up. They're not flimsy, so you don't have to worry about, being hard to put things in there or finding your things. Plus, you know how it is when we travel, our products, our bags take a beating. So you want to have something that is really strong and sturdy when traveling. So I have them in these 4 colors. Once the colors sell out, I will just keep the most popular. So far, the most popular have been the black and the burgundy. Surprise, surprise. But the link will be down in the description of this video, so you can go get yours. And if you have any questions, please let me know. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.